In today's video, I'm going to teach you what stock lending on Robinhood means and how you can set it up to potentially earn passive income from your investment portfolio. By the end of this guide, you'll understand not just how to enable the feature, but also what it really means for your stocks and what you can expect once you get started. Let's begin by talking about what stock lending is. When you hear the term stock lending on Robinhood, it refers to a program that lets you allow Robinhood to lend out the shares of certain securities that you fully own. This can include stocks, exchange-traded funds, commonly known as ETFs, and American Depository Receipts, or ADRs. Essentially, you're giving Robinhood permission to temporarily loan your shares to other market participants, such as institutional investors or traders who may need to borrow them for short selling or other strategies. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for you? In exchange for allowing your shares to be borrowed, you receive a small payment if and when your stocks are actually lent out. This payment usually appears as a rebate or a type of interest, and it's credited to your account on a monthly basis. While these payments are typically modest, they do offer a way to generate a bit of passive income from shares that you're already holding in your account. Imagine it like earning a little bit of extra interest, similar to what you might on a savings account, but this time it's for letting your stocks be loaned out. So how do you get started? First, you'll want to open the Robinhood platform on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the account icon. Go ahead and click on that, and then look for the stock lending section. This is where you can access all information related to the stock lending program. Next, click on Enable Stock Lending. Before the process is finalized, Robinhood will present you with the terms and conditions associated with stock lending. I highly recommend you take a moment to review these carefully, as they outline important details about your rights and what to expect if your shares are lent out. If you agree to the terms, simply click Accept to proceed. Once you've enabled stock lending, there's nothing more you need to do. Robinhood will handle the actual process of lending out your shares automatically whenever there's demand. You don't have to pick the stocks or manage the logistics. Everything runs behind the scenes. To track your extra earnings, just head to your account section, click on History, and check under Dividends or Stock Lending Payments. Here you'll find a record of any payments you've received so far, and that covers the basics of stock lending on Robinhood. Thanks for watching, and remember to check your account regularly to stay informed about your investments and any passive income you may be earning.